Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to do a hard reset on a Samsung Galaxy M11. If you do not have the pin code and the screen is locked, we can bypass that and actually remove the pin code from the phone. This will also wipe everything else off the phone, but if you're ready to do that, it's quite simple. We just first of all need to have the phone turned off. So if the phone is not turned off, you can just press and hold the power button and the volume down button simultaneously to force it to turn off. Even without the pin code. So you just press and hold it, and as soon as it turns off, you wait a second, and then you can switch to power and volume up. And you're just going to continue to hold power and volume up on the phone until it boots back up and you see the Samsung Galaxy. From there, you are going to see this screen. We use the volume buttons to toggle through until we get to the wipe data recovery reset. Hit the power button to select it, and then it will take you to this confirmation screen. We'll again use the volume buttons to toggle through, and then hit power button to confirm the factory data reset. Keeping in mind, once you hit power button, there's no going back. Everything will be wiped off the phone. And then once we get there, then we can just simply select the reboot system now, and the phone will turn off and turn back on like it was when it came out of the box.